Hey, let me show you how easily you can connect your Creative Zen Hybrid with any Android device, like for example Android smartphone or tablet. So first of all, you have to be sure that your headphones are turned off, and you can check this by clicking on this button. When this indicator is not activated, it means that they are turned off. Now we have to click and hold this button and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. There we go. Now we can release. Then on your smartphone, you will have to go into the Bluetooth settings. Then from available devices list, you have to find and select your Creative Zen Hybrid headphones. So that's how it looks. In my case, I just have to click on them, accept the pairing, and as you can see now it is finished. If you wonder if you can actually use any application with this device, yes, you can do this, but it's honestly completely useless, so I wouldn't even recommend you to get this. And this is actually the application. Let me just catch the focus. The SXFI app. You can get it from the App Store and the Play Store, but the only thing that you can find there in this application is I'm gonna show you. Just to open the sound equalizer. There's like nothing more, and in this equalizer you can only change the bass and the treble, so I wouldn't even recommend you, because if you open for example the Spotify or YouTube Music in these apps, you can actually find more settings in the equalizer. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.